How to find files using Spotlight? Well, to access Spotlight, you just have to press Command plus space. Once you press Command plus space, here you can see this is the first time that I'm using macOS Tahoe on this particular computer. You may have to hit continue. And once I go near the Spotlight search, you can see I have multiple options that come up. For example, if you want to search specific applications, let's say I want to search WhatsApp. Now WhatsApp isn't actually downloaded on my computer. So it's actually given me an option that I can go and download it, or it's going to give me some suggestions for the websites. For example, this is the Google Play website, which is of no use to me. But if I go ahead and type in calendar, you can see calendar.app has actually come up. In that calendar, I also have an option to add quick keys. So I can just hit enter and let's say calendar name mymactalk, and now that I've done that, I have actually added a new calendar. So that is how you look for applications, but you can actually also look for files. For files, you can just look up the extension of the file. For example, I'm looking for a PDF file, so I can type in kind : and PDF. Now it's going to give me all the PDF files that I have available on my computer. As you can see, for now I just have two. I can just open this file and preview it right over here, which is very convenient, or move on to the next PDF. Out of these two PDFs, let's say I want to actually look for a specific word. For example, the sample PDF I know for a fact has the word digress. I'm just going to type in digress and it's going to give me that particular file. And that is very convenient if you're looking for something very specific. Now I can also look for files with created dates. So let's say I want to type in created. Now, after created, you want to type in colon and then you can put in the date. So, let's say 17 December. Now, I can also use natural language, for example, PDF from today. So, I know that I've downloaded this PDF today itself. So, it's actually going to show me that particular PDF. So, let's say notes from. So as you can see, the note that I have edited today has popped up. The first thing that is there is that note and the rest follows. So it's going to actually give me some suggestions that may or may not be useful to you. For me personally, it's not really useful because it's actually going to use the text rather than actually me telling it what to do. So you can use natural language as well. Other than that, you have multiple options. For example, again, files, we can see we have all the files that are available on my computer. So I can just type in, let's say, HEIC. So these are all the HEIC files that are available. I can again go kind HEIC, and so as you can see, HEIC files are going to show up. So that is also very useful. Now you can also search for something with what you have attached to clipboard. Now with macOS Tahoe, this was very useful. Honestly, it has been a long time coming and I'm finally glad to have it. But with clipboard, you can just click on it and see that. So currently you can see I have no items copied. Let's say I copy some text. I have copied something on the text. I can go to clipboard now and here you can see my text has already been copied. Now if you're copying multiple things, you're editing, this is going to prove very helpful because clipboard as an option on Windows was there for a long time, but now it has finally been introduced to Mac this year. So a bit late on that party. But hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.